going to show you how you can promote your small business or your side hustle, whatever it is, just by using your smartphone. As you can see on my screen, I'm already on the platform, and it's called Hawkit. So basically, Hawkit works in two different ways. The same with a lot of other micro tax, micro workout platforms. Hawkit works and it has the two ends, so you can earn, you can make money, do tax and make money on it, and you can also sell your products and services on it as well. And aspects we're going to be focusing on is selling on it, because people usually don't do this. There are a lot of videos on YouTube with Hawkit and how to make money with Hawkit and blah blah blah, but nobody's talking about the other side of it, which is how you can promote your business on Hawkit. So basically, we're going to log into my account. So this is actually my dashboard, and once you come over here to show you your balance and blah blah blah. So basically, now this is how Hawkit works. Once you sign up on Hawkit, you are brought to a page where you have to validate your PIN. By the way, the link to sign up is in my description, so use the link and sign up. Download the app, sign up. But back to what I was saying, by the time you download the app, because I personally encountered issues with this, and that is why I'm bringing it to you guys' notice, so in case you go through any similar challenge while you're signing up, you can also know what to do. So when I was signing up, you have to verify your phone number, and the process took me about, or I think 3 or 4 days, basically something like that. So what you have to do is, there'll be a customer service number on the page, because I tried using it, 2 different numbers, they both didn't work. I didn't get the OTP, so I had to contact customer service. Not everybody might go through this same process, because your own might work immediately, but mine didn't, and that's exactly what I'm just saying, in case any other person's own. So you go through the OTP, you text the customer service, you tell them, oh, you want to verify the number, you send the number, and then they'll do the verification for you. It will take like 24 hours before they get back to you and stuff like that. But basically, that's really just it. And then you will see this: congratulations, you are now a member. So if you scroll a little bit down, now here's what Hawkit has. What it has: marketplace. Now if you look, people are selling here. You have tracker device with installation. You have quality flip-flops, black, yellow and pink, 4K. You have get legit examination assistance. You have 3D graphics design resources. Here you have Palm Pay, Balance Other app, boost your financial income. All these things, these people, they have their setting prices. 1K, this is 100 naira, and so on. And so you can place your own thing right here, or your whatever you can do. If you can boost Instagram accounts, put everything, customize your CV, put it all here, and from there you'll be able to get customers to patronize you in whatever you do. So how do you go about this? You have to click on, so you can either do it from here, post adverts, right? Because remember I said Hawkit, you can also earn, which is this earn daily by posting adverts and get people to post. That's all different. All we're trying to do is promote our business, so we can do post adverts, or we can come over to this lower part and click on advertise. So now we can do 2 different things. You can advertise on Hawkit Market, and we can advertise on social media. The social media aspect I'll explain first is, if I have, maybe I sell clothes and I want more status views, which is basically dropshipping, right? I would come over here, click get started, and I'll give people my number and a video or something, put it on their Hawkit app, and tell them to post these things on their status. So Hawkit pays 100 naira per status. That is if you are the one doing it. But if you're the one that wants to advertise it, click on this, click here, and then you click on create new order. Basically, when you click on create new order, maybe you want to go for WhatsApp, and now what you do is select the platform WhatsApp. You add the number of WhatsApp status posts you want. You want maybe 2 posts. Okay, no, let's say you want 20 posts. That's 2,000. Select the gender, doesn't matter, all gender, depending on what you do. And once you fill out everything, you can upload a photo to show how the advert should look like, and you submit and make payments. That is one way. Another way is you can also do, that's the second method, is advertise on Hawkit, so that your products will show on the dashboard in Hawkit. But this is usually more expensive. So you click on get started, and now when you're a new member, your first advert is free. So advert fee is 1,000 naira. I haven't used this free advert yet, but I might try it just to see the conversion rate. I'm just bringing this update to people because a lot of people don't really know about this aspect of Hawkit. So sell anything fast on Hawkit market. First one is free. Please know that your advert will be visible on the app within a period of 1 month. After a month, you have to buy another app, and the same process goes. You click continue, and you can be able to post the advert and make sales regardless of what it is that you do. So that's really how Hawkit works. I just wanted to share this with you, especially people who have been looking for places to get new customers to patronize their business and stuff like that. Because clearly you can see it doesn't matter what you sell, there are already people there are people who are in the market looking for these products. A quick disclaimer before I end this video: Hawkit is not a free website, it's not a free platform. To join Hawkit, you have to pay 1,000 naira. So you have to pay 1,000 naira initial payment. After that 1,000 naira initial payment, you're good to go. You can do whatever it is on the platform. You can advertise and you can also earn. But to join the platform, you pay 1,000 naira. Hawkit does this to filter out the people who are not serious. So if you're willing to pay that 1,000 naira, they'll know that okay, this person is actually serious and is not just here to fill up, because you can have thousands of sign-ups, thousands of this, but they are not working, they are not serious. So by the time you pay that 1,000 naira, and that's really it. That's about it for Hawkit. You pay the money and you post adverts, and this is an untapped source. So I would suggest you get on it and you can use it to grow your business today. That's about it for this video. If you got any value, please like. I should have said this at the beginning of the video, but please like. I'd really appreciate it. Subscribe as well. We're on our road to 1,000 subscribers, and yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.